Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. You're looking at a flower pot or a planter full of kale. And I put these kale, I brought them from my grower for about, I purchased 40 of them for about, by the way, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All I did was put my plant in, I put my seeds in, and it grew this kale for me. I didn't have to do anything. I added a little bit of 3-12-12 to it to keep that biotic environment going. It's been out in the cold weather, and it's literally been running, on its own. I don't have to do anything. And that's why this kale looks spectacular. And so I wanted to have some breakfast this morning. I wanted to show you what a torpedo pot would do for you. So these are self-growing planters. They grow your food without you having to be there. And so this kale will be here for me until I come out here and get it. But so is the celery. My celery is also growing outside its own plant. Isn't that pretty in the backdrop? That is gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous? Man, that's beautiful. And so I want to pick some celery. I got some kale. Oh, you ought to like this. I've got parsley. I've got some parsley. And I have some garlic chives in here also. But I need a little bit of each. I'm throwing them together with probably some other things to have a nice little breakfast with. And I just wanted to be able to eat healthy and to be healthy. So my torpedo pot grew each and every one of these vegetables. The torpedo pot grew my celery. It's growing my kale and my parsley and my garlic chives. It's growing all of that. These planters that you see right here, each one of these planters have the ability during this year to grow about 150 to over 1,000 tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes, it can grow tremendously. Torpedo pot grows your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds in, you put your plants in, and you let the pot do the rest. Like I said, we hit it with a 3-12-12, but it speaks for itself. I don't have to worry about it. The objective is to have something healthy with you all the time. So wherever you want to go or travel, you can carry healthy food, or you want it at your disposal at your home 365 days a year so that you can eat healthy. You can even eat partially healthy. Do you realize the nutrients that are coming out of this plant here is going into vitamins and pills? And a lot of the living texture and loving color and all of the things that the microbes have created never really reach your body. You never get healed because this now has turned into a pill, which you take it. Torpedo pot grows your food where that you don't need to have those pills. You can go directly to the source. If you're looking for targeting certain vitamins and nutrients that you're looking for, target the growing things that are growing and let Torpedo Pot grow it for you so that you can target what you need for your body. So anyhow, I'm going to just put this out here and I want to cut up some more. Now, the funny thing about it, you don't need much. This is only for breakfast, right? And you figure that should be enough, right? Mixing it with my eggs or throwing it on the side. This is great, fresh stuff you're going to be eating. But I want to go one step further. I'm going to start cutting the leaves off. I grew them in such great density so that I can eat them. And so I need to go and fit them up. So don't be like me. This is more than enough for breakfast. But when you come back and eat it over and over again, it'll thin itself out. But it'll also continue to grow. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that grow your food for you with no human intervention. And you'll always have food. You just have to plant it correctly. As you get to know the seasons and the foods that you can eat, let Torpedo Pot grow those seeds. Let Torpedo Pot grow those root systems. Let Torpedo Pot do these things for you so that you can have healthy food and you don't have to use all of these synthetic chemicals to make things happen. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to have me a healthy meal. Talk to you guys later. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.